So, hello everybody. This is not an ASMR. Just saying. I bet you nobody's gonna watch this just because it's Phantom Force. Oh, phew. I literally thought I was stuck in this dumbass elevator. Okay, so why? Anyways. Hill up there, let's go boys. Lol. Hashtag best background music I could find. Lol, wait, I am the best, so I'm gonna make your viewing experience. Holy crap, that scared me. Don't do that, game, please. Anyways, Mama. That's exactly what I'm thinking. I just want to go home to my mama, just getting my papa, lol. Nobody there, lol. Why am I even talking? It's my question. My question of the day, why am I alive? That's why my Twitch name is Sam_Y_am_I_alive. I ask that question to myself so much. I ask myself that question just so much. I think that's exactly why. Okay. Long range shotgun? Crap. Long range shotgun. Long range shotgun. Oh, hit him. Oh, my. No, let me flag you. Wait. Am I dead ass? I am not dead ass. That was best move of 2018. Best, mate. Best ever. Give me this hill, boy. Oh, we already have it. Wow. Hey guys, another Squidward episode here. Oh crap. What? Why me? Why me? Boom. That's what I mean by killed from a distance, long range shotgun. Is my. That's what it means. And that was an easy kill right there, boy. That is disgusting. Let's not look at that, kiddos. Let's try to get monetized here for once in my life. Just kidding. I don't even have monetization. Because I fucking swear too much. And I wish I was dead, even though I really cannot do that. Please kill me. But I still can do this, and you can do that. And why am I singing when I'm making a video? You know, this video is just gonna get scrapped. If I actually publish this video, it's because I'm desperate for likes. By the way, click that like and subscribe, because what am I gonna call this video? Do it in the comments below. No, I'm just kidding. It's some LEA clickbait right there, boys. Not even gonna lie, what? Some LEA clickbait. I had a really bad accent, by the way. There you go, by the way. Keep her moving here, guy. Aww. Is this guy mentally retarded? No, not this guy. The guy under me. Was he mentally retarded? Walking in the middle of nowhere. Also, am I mentally retarded for spawning on this area? Probably am. To be honest. That was scary. I am skilled. Please no, I'm scared. Oh no, I'm scared like I can't long range shotgun you. Which I probably can't, to be honest. Ooh, I'm getting lucky. I'm unlucky. Don't waste all my ammo. Remember that, me. Don't waste all your ammo on one guy. And now I'm just gonna yeet this and not pay attention to him. That's my plan. Yeet a grenade at them and don't pay attention to them unless you see them and they're an easy kill. Well, maybe not an easy kill, but just easy enough to get a shot or two at him. Secondary is so unstable, man. Like, honestly. I bet you couldn't even tell I was actually hitting them there. Move, boy. Boy, no thanks. Oh, yippity doodle, whatever that means. Hey, kill. Stop killing Chuck E. Cheese as I fall off the edge. And literally, what is this? Yeah, I can't edit, so this is all going in this video of mine. Whatever that means. Why? Why yawning? Are you actually? Have you ever wondered? Have you, whatever that is? Please no, thanks, dude. This is so gonna get 2 views. I'm feeling it. Lucky enough to get 2 views. Am I right, boys, or am I right? I'm not sure if that's allowed because I haven't tested this mic like at all. All it says is if I could actually speak into it. And I feel like I should just leave it off there because that was sad kill. Yeah, goodbye. Well, frick you, fricks, goodbye, boom.